I'm Danish. Today we are going to learn a trick on AP, arithmetic progression. So let's see the question. Can you solve it in 2 seconds? Maybe for an intelligent person also, it takes to solve 2 to 3 minutes. By this trick, we can do it in just 2 seconds. Okay, here is the trick. But one thing note, this type of tricks valid for some type of questions. Like this trick valid for if 10th term of an AP, this question, let's take 10th term as P, 5 as Q, 5 as Q, 10 as P. So if we take that like that, then the question changes to if pth term of an AP is Q and the qth term of an AP is P, then find the rth term. Let's take it as R. Okay, if we want to find the rth term, here is the trick. If pth term of an AP is Q and qth term of an AP is P, then rth term is, here is the trick, PR is P plus Q minus R. You want to add these two minus this. That means 10 plus 5 minus 16. Here is the answer. 10 plus 5 minus 16. 15 minus 16, that equal to minus 1. The 16th term of an AP, which 10th term of the AP is 5 and the 5th term of the AP is 10. In that AP, the 16th term is minus 1. So by this trick, we got the answer as minus 1 now. Minus 1. Let's verify. Given T10 10th term of an AP is 5 and T5 equal to 10 as given here, we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn means T10 equal to A, we don't know, plus n 10 minus 1 into D. Here T10 we given as 5 equal to A plus 9D. And
let me know what is A and D.
A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference.
Okay.
Next, doing the same with this also. T5 equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. T5 equal to A plus 4D. Let's take it as 2 and this as 1. Let's simplify 1. Yeah, T5 is given as 10 now. 10 equal to A plus 4D. So let's take it as equation 2. Let's simplify 1 and 2 there. 5 equal to A plus 9D and 10 equal to A plus 4D. If we simplify this, 5 minus 10 equal to minus 5 equal to A minus A. There 0. 9D minus 4D, that is 5D. So we get minus 5 for as 5D. So 5 and 5 gets cancels out. So D we get as minus 1. So we get a D as minus 1. If we substitute this D in any of the equation, we get the A value. So let's do that. I am substituting in this one. this equation. 5 equal to a plus 9 into d is minus 1, 9 into minus 1. So 5 equal to a minus 9. So if we simplify this, we get a. So a equal to 14. We asked that, the question asked that 16th term. So finding the 16th term by using this formula. T16 equal to a is 14 plus n 16 minus 1 into d is minus 1. 14 plus 15 into minus 1. So 14 minus 15 is equal to minus 1. Yeah, the answer is correct as with the trick. So it takes more than 2-3 minutes for an intelligent student also. So by this trick we can do it in less than 2-3 seconds. So if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe. I forgot a thing. This trick I have told is ODA trick. It is called as ODA trick. It is invented by Mr. Sushant Srivastav, the founder of ODA class. If you want to download the app, there is a link in the description. Do download the app. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.